Within just 3 months, 2025, 4 billionaires, well-known Chinese entrepreneurs, they ended their life by jumping off from tall buildings after they have been 留置 by the Chinese Communist Party. This is very abnormal thing in the past 13 years when China tried to integrate into the world. But it was very normal in last century between 1950s to 1980s when the Communist Party just seized the power. Unfortunately, China has already turned back a lot under Xi Jinping's leader, and it's turning back more and more right now. Entrepreneurs create the supply chain, maintain the supply chain, and they improve the supply chain. But now, they are not only losing their wealth, their money, they are losing their lives. This would significantly affect the global supply chain because China is the world factory.